The best pizza making group in the world. Day 2 on this 7-night Western Mediterranean cruise on the Wonder of the Seas, and we're here in Napoli, Italy's 3rd largest city.
It's also where pizza was invented, and today we're gonna make one of our own.
Hey, I don't remember that building. Do you think it's new?
No. Waiting for our excursion.
30 minutes late.
No tour guide. Mark's on the phone with them trying to figure out where they are. 14 of us waiting.
So we talked to the tour operator, and apparently something happened with the first ship, right?
Apparently.
So yeah, once we contacted them, 30 minutes after the tour was supposed to start, Stephanie eventually did get an email saying we'll have a new chef and a couple of drinks on them. So we're gonna meet back up at 12:30, but right now we're in this pretty cool shopping area.
It's amazing.
Looks beautiful. So we're gonna check that out, and then we'll go make some pizza.
Fingers crossed.
So 11:30 was our original meeting time. After we called, they said 12:30. I just called again because still no one here to meet us, and they said 5 minutes, so we'll see.
Ciao. So guys, they told me for you is a free alcohol drink for all class. Just to tell you sorry for that. Okay guys, we can start the restaurant.
So now apparently, you know, we can have alcoholic drinks now that we're supposed to be done with this excursion at 1. It's just 1 now, and we're heading over to the restaurant finally, but not ideal. So we were across the street this whole time, not realizing the restaurant we'd be going to was right here. We should have been able to come over here and start getting our drink on 2 hours ago. That would have been nice. We got 350 grams of flour, 1 gram of yeast that we will put in our water. This is what they all look like.
Mark, compliment your diploma of pizza chef.
Ricardo, I want to thank you for making today good. We got off to a rough start. I know you were thrown into it, but you came up to the challenge and helped us out, and we appreciate making a fun day.
It was a pleasure. The group was amazing. Good student. The pizza was good.
I don't know about that. All right.
No.
All right.
Good.
The best pizza making group in the world. So the pizza making tour here in Naples, definitely interesting, but we have to get back on the ship because
we're going to the Mason Jar.
Yeah, we've got dinner here in a few minutes.
Once we got back on board, we had something happen. Never happened to us before on a cruise. We'll talk about that later. Right now, we're at the Mason Jar, gonna have some dinner.
So very, very good. Recommend it to anybody that likes Southern cooking. If you're on Wonder of the Seas, Mason Jar. Right now we're in the Royal Theater. We're getting ready to see
The Effectors II.
The Effectors II. So this just started this week here on Wonder of the Seas. Apparently the Effectors I is on Odyssey of the Seas. So we're gonna see them out of order, but that's okay. We're gonna enjoy the show, and we'll show a little bit of it to you right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is definitely by far the most technologically advanced show in the history of cruise industry. The Effectors II Crash and Burn.
That was amazing.
Oh, pleasure. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was incredible. The entertainment on this ship has been amazing so far, and that takes the cake.
Oh, so
right.
happy.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite part? Like, I know there's a lot, but
you know, I love the drones. I looked up a little bit. I'm gonna have to, like you said, see it from a different angle up there. But just the dancing was on point. I loved the interaction off the stage here. It was just all around. I mean, it was a good show, a good story, front to back. So
oh, amazing!
Yeah.
Thanks so much for come again.
All right,
again.
yeah. Take
you got
care.
2 more times.
I hope you guys liked that show, Effectors II. I thought it was pretty amazing. What about you?
It was incredible.
Yeah, and it was cool to be able to sit right next to the choreographer and talk to him. Man, there's a lot involved in that. So there's a lot involved in today too. Day 2 of this cruise, Naples. Man, that didn't really go the way we planned, but hey, everything happens for a reason. It turns out pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Stephanie alluded earlier to something.
Yeah, we experienced something that we had never experienced before on a cruise.
And that is, for the first time ever after boarding, we had to change rooms.
Yes, so the issue we were having yesterday with the floor being wet, apparently it also affected our neighbors.
Yeah.
Because both of us had to move rooms.
Yep.
So we are no longer on a Central Park balcony. We are now on an ocean view balcony.
Other than the view, it's pretty much the same room, but we will touch on that a little bit tomorrow. It's a sea day, so we're going to try to tackle a lot of things that this ship has to offer. So we're looking forward to that one. That one should be out soon. So make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell on. Smash the like button, and remember,
Life is short and cruising is fun.
yeah, we'll see you next time.